Pleasant good afternoon to everyone. Let me allow the title of my research, Motivation and Job Performance of Non-Teaching Staff at Laguna State Polytechnic University, San Pablo City Campus. This is Minerva C. Manalo, together with my partner, Linjoy C. Apat from Laguna State Polytechnic University, San Pablo City Campus. In my introduction, human resources or office staff are the most significant asset for an organization because they are the key components to empower the organization to obtain goals. Successful organizational skills always come from the effectiveness of working performance of each asset. Employee is one of the keys to lead an organization to success. Employee motivation is an important part of managing employees. Motivated employees will have greater concentration, hence they are less likely to make mistakes, cause accidents, or to be involved in conflict. With this, the researcher find the study interesting to conduct, particularly in determining how the non-teaching staff performance has been affected by motivation, such as workplace environment, professional growth and development, promotion, salaries, rewards, or incentives. For my methodology, this is a descriptive type of research. 50 employees in the selected offices in Laguna State Polytechnic University, San Pablo City were these respondents of the study. Instrument used for the collection of data is a self-made questionnaire. Questionnaires were divided into two parts. The first part is the profile of the respondents that includes the age, the gender, the civil status, number of years in service, and the monthly income. Second part, the types of work, workplace environment, professional growth and development, advancement, salaries, and benefits. The last part is the job performance that includes the quality, the quantity, and the attitude. Frequency and mean were used, and person are for the test of relationship. For the results and discussion, part 1, the demographic profile of the respondents. Majority of the non-teaching staff in Laguna State Polytechnic University are female and single. The typical age range of the respondents are from 26 to 35 years old, and in job order status of work who earns 5,000 up to 10,000 monthly. So for the results and discussion, table 1, workplace environment got an overall mean of 4.44 with an interpretation of strongly agree. Table shows the workplace environment. The respondent workplace is well ventilated and secured, got the highest mean of 4.60, while 4.22 agreed that workplace has enough equipment or machine for the job. The second table, professional growth and development, got an overall mean of 4.30 with a verbal interpretation of strongly agree. Table depicts the perception of the respondents in terms of professional growth and development. Respondents strongly agree that organizational environment facilitate the relationship between employee tied with the professional growth and development ways to serve the stockholders. Table 3, promotion with an overall mean of 4.01, interpreted as agree. Table 3 shows the mean perception of the respondents in terms of promotion, stated that indicator 2 got the highest mean of 4.14, which describes that the criteria is important in employee promotion in an organization. Table 4, the salaries. Table 4 represents the mean perception of the respondents in terms of salaries, which states that indicator 1, the salary is based on the workload, got the highest mean of 3.76, which states that the employee's salary depends on their capacity, and for indicator 3, overtime rendered was paid accurately. And then table 5, incentives and rewards, got an overall mean of 3.88. And interpreted as agreed, the table indicates the mean perception of the respondents in terms of incentives and rewards. It shows that indicator 5 got the highest mean of 4.12 with the interpretation of agree, which states that incentives and rewards makes the employee more energetic in performing their job. Table 6, quantity. The table showed the mean perception in terms of quantity states that indicator 1 got the highest mean of 4.56 and showed that finishing job on time is significant to the employee. So for the next table, job performance as to quality with an overall mean of 4.47 with an interpretation of strongly agree. The result explained that the accuracy of work of an employee gives satisfaction in its quality. Meeting and maintaining the accuracy in work is significant in delivering quality service and performance. Let's go to table 8, the performance as to attitude. The table represents the mean perception of the respondents in terms of attitude. That explains that indicator 1 got the highest mean of 4.76 and states that being positive in the work is vital way in increasing healthier attitude of one individual worker. Next table, correlation between motivation and job performance. Table 9, motivation and quantity of work. This means the working motivation, which is measured by workplace environment, professional growth and development, promotion, salaries, rewards, and incentives are significantly related to the job performance. Therefore, the factors in working motivation in terms of quantities of work are very important to the job performance of the employee. Table 10, motivations and quality of work. The result of the study for the following variables for R value and P value are indicated in the table. The finding reveals that the variables such as workplace environment, professional growth and development, promotion, salaries, incentive, and rewards in terms of quality of work are significantly related to the job performance. This means that those variables in working motivation in terms of quality of work are important on the job performance of the employee. Let's go to the last table, motivations and attitude. The result of the study for the following variables for R value and P value are indicated on the table. The related variables in working motivation in terms of attitude, such as professional growth and development, salaries, incentive, and rewards, have significant relationship on the job performance of the employees, while workplace environment and promotion have no significant relationship on the job performance of the employees. Therefore, employees motivate to do their job well because they have good attitude and willing to work even the workplace is not good and the promotion is hard to achieve. For the conclusion and recommendation, there is a strong significant relationship between the motivation and the performance as to quantity and quality of work of the non-teaching staff of the Laguna State Polytechnic University. However, the variable under motivation, which is professional growth, is the only significantly related to job performance. In terms of attitude, indeed, motivational techniques are needed to sustain the quality and the quantity and quality of work. Also, the positive attitude of the employee of the Laguna State Polytechnic University San Pablo City campus. For the recommendation to the non-teaching staff that they may improve the communication with the administration regarding their concern, if there is any, it may not limit their performance in just fine, but always be better. Human resource may also be the one to spread the harmonious relationship among the employees by means of team building, open consultation, and fair selection to giving of rewards, incentive, and promotion. To the future researcher, that they may incorporate different variables in motivations and job performance to further investigate the motivation and job performance. Also, it is suggested to have a larger sample size for much conducive results. That's all, and thank you very much for your listening.